Yeah. Okay. So today we are going to develop one turtle race game by using Python. So before going to development, I will show you demo. So how the game I already shown last time. Now also turtle race. So first thing is it will ask what is how many number of turtles you want to participate in race. Okay. So the range is 2 to 10. So for example, you have to give number only. So we have to take care about validation. So if I'm giving something like a test, some alphabet. So if I give, it will throw error. Input is not numeric. Try again. If I give instead of 2 to 10, I am giving only 1. So only one turtle it is not possible to participate in race. So I'm giving only 1. Again, it will throw error. Not number not in range. So 2 to 10. So then I will give the valid number. For example, I'm giving higher number, 100 turtles I want. Then again it will throw error. So what is the condition? You have to give the number, not the alphabet. That number should be in the range of 2 and 10. Okay. So minimum is 2, maximum is 10. So if I give 5, fine, it will accept. So now it will start it. So it will start the window, then 5 turtles will come, different color. Then they will start. Once all 5 turtle came, it will start the race. Then once they end the race, then it will show it will print who is the winner. So here you can see blue is the winner. Okay. So this is what we are going to do. So today we will take care about the validation. Okay. So to next session we will do the race. Got it? Okay. So let me minimize this. So first open your Visual Studio. Okay. So open any folder. You have already folder. You have created so many files, right? So in that just create plus button. You can see in new file, create plus button and give name turtle race. turtle.py. You can give any name. Okay, race turtle, race game, turtle game, any name. But .py is the important. Okay, that is the extension which gives you. This is belongs to Python. Okay, yeah. Then enter. Yeah, done. Once you're done, let me know.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, first thing is we want to import 3 important library. First, as usual, turtle is the one. Just import 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 turtle. Second is import. Can if you click this, it will hide this panel, left panel. Okay. So import random. So randomly we will generate the speed of the turtle. Okay, if I give the speed of the turtle is fixed, what happened? Each turtle is going in same speed, then we cannot identify who is the winner. So I'm using random library to identify which turtle is the winner. Okay, random. So next is time. So after the game is finished, I want to pause for 2 seconds or 5 seconds so that we can see who is the winner. So time is to pause the game. Okay. Okay. After importing, I want to set what is the width and height. What is width and height? For example, in this game, if I run 10, you can see here, this is the width. By default, what is the width? Then default, what is the height? So here you can see this is the height. Okay. Then this is the width. So we have to set this is the width and height. We have to set it. What is the default width and height? Okay. So for that, we will set the width and height. Width, give in caps. Okay, give caps lock, type caps lock with always constant. This is called constant. Constant should be in capital letters. Height. Okay, so comma width comma height and 700 comma 600. We can give in one line. Either you can give separately width equal to 700, and next line you can give height equal to 600. Otherwise we can together we can give. So what is it means? First is the width, that is 700. Second is the height, that is 600. Okay. So next is we are going to define the color. We are going to define the color. What all the colors we are going to use for this in this project? How many colorful turtles you want? So we'll define some colors. 10 colors will define. So next thing is colors. Colors equal to, see, in this program again, if you see how many colors are coming, if I give 10, so this blue color came, purple color, again dark blue, green, brown, and light pink, red, then dark blue, yellow, and orange. So like this, these 10 colors are there. So next time if I run, the different color will shuffle the color, but we won't change the color. Only these 10 color we are going to use in this game. So for that we have to define the colors. So you can tell your favorite colors, otherwise I will add one by one. First I will add red color. Red, you give in lowercase. The color should be given in lowercase. Okay. Red, green, give in single quotes enough. Red, green, give in single quotes. Lowercase, single quotes. Blue, after blue, can you tell any color?
Yellow.
Of
Yellow.
yellow,
Green.
green.
Oh,
One
so
second.
green is already there.
Uh,
Orange.
orange,
Black.
black. How much color? 1 2 3 4 5 6 हो गया. Or black, you can give purple.
Magenta.
Purple, give simple color. Okay. Purple, pink, yellow we give, right? Cyan. Then blue we give. 10 color we want. Blue we give, black we give, brown we didn't give, I think. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 color is brown. Okay. So 10 color we have given. Just add this 10 color and let me know once you can. Any color you can add. It is not like same color you have to add. Okay. Just add this 10 colors. If you want, I will give this 10 color in the chat window so that you can copy. And so if you are taking time to type each and every color, I will copy in chat window. Where is chat window? Here. Okay. Okay. So take this color. Come back to here. Colors. Is it done? Once let me know. Is it done? If you can copy paste if you're taking time. Afaf, Zubair, Samina, who is there today? Nihal came?
Done, sir.
Okay. Where is Zahid? Zahid came? Okay. Okay. Now we are going to create a function. Anyone tell what is function? Yesterday, last class I explained. What is function? What is
Sir, I was
function?
not there last class actually.
Okay. So function is the set of code. Okay. We are kept in one block. Whenever we want, we can call it. Okay. So for example, addition. So we are creating one function called addition function. Okay. So that addition function, we will pass what, how many numbers you want. It will do the addition. It will return some value. So like that, if we in Python have inbuilt function. Like print is one function. So what it is does, what message we want to print, we are giving print, like print. I'm telling hello. Okay, if I print hello, then it will print the message in our console. So like that, we have lot of inbuilt function. We can create our own function. So that now we are going to create one function. How to create the function? Simple. We have to queue lowercase def space. Def means definition. So this is the keyword. Def is the keyword to create a function. Then we have to give function name. So I'm giving function name is the initialization underscore. When two words are coming, you have to separate with the underscore. Okay. So one word is there, it is fine. But two word is there, I am going to separate with underscore init turtle. Init turtle. Then open bracket, close bracket, and colon. So this is the syntax for the function. So diff space function name open bracket close bracket colon. Got it? This is so inside whatever code you want that will come whenever you call that function. Whatever code will comes under this function with this indentation that will executed. Okay. So now I am going to add 3 lines of this in this function. What is a 3 line? Then I am going to create one screen. Screen equal to turtle dot screen.
So what does def and init mean?
Yeah, yeah.
Sir,
Yeah.
should
Def
we
is the
leave a line?
yeah.
Should we leave a line?
Yeah. No line. Don't leave. Oh, yeah, next line. Next line, but you have to come this the space has to come. There is a 4 space by default. Visual Studio will come with 4 space. One space also fine, but give this follow this format. You can see here dot dot, right? That means 4 space. So that is called indentation. So in Python, indentation is very important. So if you are giving this 4 space, what all the code comes under this indentation that belongs to this function. What is a diff? One student asked, what is a diff? Diff is the keyword to define the function. Okay. So last class we have created one function to, let me check. I have the code last class. Circle for loop. We have created one circle function. For loop by a circle. Okay, last class we have created one function to execute this, create the circle. Okay, with different parameters. Different, we are gave different color, different size. Okay, if I go to the topic, then we lost this gaming programming. Okay, so you just watch the recording of last class, so then you can understand what is the use of function. Okay, the part
Sir,
number.
you left the line four.
Why?
Sir, you left the line 4 and 7.
Yeah, that is for uniform so that it look neat. So import is 3, then some space. So we can write like a paragraph, right? And when you're writing some story, so one paragraph is there, give some space, then second paragraph, it look neat. You can give without line also, space also you can give. The no harm that, but we just going to differentiate. So first 3 lines are belongs to, let me show you. This first lines are belongs to import.
Sir,
Yeah. So
what
this 2 lines are, let me complete. Wait. These 2 lines are belongs to constant. Then give some space. Then this is the function of init. Okay. So this is the init function. So this is like a category. So each category can be differentiated with small, so or a single line space. Got it? So that is for neatness. It is not like a rule to you have to give empty line, but this is to maintain some neatness of the code.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so you have to give. Now, who is asking another question?
me Lukman?
Lukman. Yeah, yes, Lukman.
What
Welcome.
does init underscore turtle means?
Okay, init underscore turtle means this is the function. I am going to create one function that def is the keyword. Init underscore turtle is the, let me check last class. I have one circle function. I have this circle graphics for loop with circle function circle. Let me open this. then you can understand. I will recall this function. So many students having doubt what is the function. Okay, so if you look at this code, can you see this code?
Yes.
Yeah, I am calling draw circle. I am passing the size of the circle and I am passing the color of the circle and what angle after drawing each circle, how much angle it has to change this direction. Okay, how much angle. So here I don't want to repeat this 5 to 9 this 1 to 5 number lines of code each and every time. Okay, to avoid the duplicate code, simply I have created one function called draw circle. I am passing these three parameters and automatically this 5 lines of code take the three parameter, it will execute. Let me run this code. When I run the code, and line number 1, let me remove this. Yeah, see, draw one circle. Okay, then draw two circles. This is one function call. For red is one function call. This is the second function call, third function call, fourth function call, then fifth function call. Okay, so 5 functions it get called here. So if I want another circle, I can draw. So I can call this. I don't have to write the code. This left fill color, begin color, circle, I don't have to write the code. Simply I call the draw circle function. What is my size of this circle? I don't want big circle. I can give only small circle. Now I want what color? uh, Green is there, yellow is there. I'll give pink color, pink color circle. Then once you change it, once you draw it, then change the angle to some like a 20-degree, change the angle. So now if I run it, so this one function will get called. So this will get drawn. Then second thing, the third, fourth, fifth. Okay, so now here you can see the small pink color circle is called because of this code. You understood? What is the use of the function? So diff is the keyword of the function, draw circle is the function name, and you can pass the parameters. What are the parameters we are going to use here? I'm not hard coding the color and the angle and size inside the function. Only I'm getting from the parameters so that we can reuse this code again and again. The main purpose of function is reusability. Okay, so we don't have to duplicate the code, avoid the duplication of the code and increase the reusability. That is the main two purpose of this code function. You understood
Yes.
what is the use of function? Okay,
Yes.
so only two purpose. So wherever I want some block of code has to execute, I can call the function. Then like a add button, right? In your calculator you have add button, then subtract button. Whenever you want to add, you press add button, it will do the addition. Same number, for 50 plus 20 we added. But if you press add button, plus button, it will add. If you minus button, it will subtract. So if you put asterisk button, it will multiplication. So like that, it's like a function is the inbuilt. It has own purpose, own responsibility. So it will do its job. So that is the function call. So now let's come to our turtle race programming. So like how we have developed draw circle function, like that we are going to create one function init turtle. So why first we have to create the screen. So Lukman, you just create, you join I think now. So you create one file with the name of turtlerace.py and add this code. Okay, I will share this code in the chat window. You don't have to spend time, just copy this code. Okay, so you can take this code and you can paste in VS code. So I explain half of def is the keyword to define the function. So here
Okay.
also def is the draw circle, that's keyword. So we have to use it because then only the Python understand, oh, this is the function. I have to work differently. Okay, yeah. Next thing is screen. I have created the screen. Lukman, you done? Once you done, let me know.
Okay.
Okay. So you added this lines of code in your VS code.
Yes.
Okay. Second line is we have to set width and height. We have created, right, width and height we have created. So we have to set that. So how we can set screen dot setup, screen dot setup with comma height. Okay, add this screen dot setup with comma height. Once again, yeah, correct. Okay. Okay, so next thing is you have to give the title. First we created the screen, then we set the height and width of my game screen. Next thing is what is the title of the screen. So if you in this program also you can see what is the title of this. You can here you can see title is turtle racing. You can see here, you can see here this is the turtle racing game. So this is a title you can give whatever you want. You can give Lukman's turtle racing, or Nihal's turtle racing, Zahir turtle racing, Samina turtle racing, or turtle racing developed by who is Afaf. Like that, whatever title you want, you can give. Okay, you don't have to give the same turtle title. This is you can add your name also. Okay, okay. Let me add my name. So screen dot title open bracket single quotes turtle race by Riyaz. Okay, so like that you can give your name. So this will come in top. In top it will come. This is what is the title of this game. If you are creating 100 games, so you want to understand what is a game. So to differentiate, you can give the title. So this three. This is the this all. Only 3 lines that for this function. Okay. Okay, so now we are going to get how many racers going to participate in this. We are, you know, right? 2 to 10. So in the 2 to 10, how many total you want to participate? So for that, we have to call one function. That function will give you validate. It will do the validation, and it will give you how many numbers of racers, how many turtles going to participate in this game, how many turtles going to participate in the race. So that this function will give. The name of the function is get underscore number underscore of underscore racer. Okay, so get number of racer. So you can see it is showing error. What is that? Get number of racer is not defined, so we have to define. We should not define below. Okay, we have to define up. So because Python is like a interpreted language, so the Python will execute line from code from one by one, line number one, line number two. So when it's come to line number 12, it will say, oh, what is this, where is this code? I cannot see before, right? I cannot see where is the code is before, so it will throw the error. Okay, so you don't have to define in line number 13, you have to define this function before line number 12. Got it? For example, you are writing exam, so your teacher is going to correct your exam paper. So but it is like a you are calling the correction before the examination itself, so that is wrong. So you have to do the examination first, then you have to do the correction. So like that, before line number 13 you have to define. So how we can define function? Can anyone tell? Anyone student can tell how I can define the function? What is the keyword?
That's
Very
DEF.
yes, def. Okay, def. I can copy this function name, same function name, def. Then make sure only one space. Def get number of circle. Then what we have to give after that? What we have to give after this?
Bracket then colon.
Very
Bracket
good,
then
very good,
colon.
very good, very good, very sharp students. Okay, bracket then colon. So I gave. So automatically VS Code will give the space. Okay, so here I have created the function. So now we have to define. So first is racer equal to 0. We define initiate. This is called initiate. Initiate. We'll initiate to 0, but we'll increase. We'll ask the user how much number of races you want. I have defined the races equal to 0. Next thing is I will call while loop. Okay, while true. True means by default it will execute the following code. While true, until I will return. Until I will return the value, it keep on executing the code. For example, you keep on giving wrong numbers, it will execute. Let me run this program. Let me increase the font size. It is very slow. Okay. Properties, font size 24. Okay. Python, then turtle. So I'm giving like a something Riyaz. It is telling no, it is not a number. Give number. I'm giving like a Lukman. It is telling no. Give number. I'm giving like a Nihal. No, it is not me. I'm giving 100. No, wrong number. I am giving 50. No. 5, I gave wrong. Instead of 50, I gave correct 5. Then it is getting working. Correct. So like that, until you will giving correct value, you keep on asking you, give me correct, give me correct. Even though you are giving 100 times, it won't leave you. Okay. So until
So
unless you are giving, yeah, tell me.
how can you find this page like to put the number? Like how to come to this screen, sir?
I will tell you, I will tell you, I will tell you. It is a command prompt. Okay, it is a command. First, we'll complete the game. So it's if you go to command prompt CMD. Okay, the CMD where is your code exists, you have to navigate to this path. Okay, so then you have to type Python, turtle Python. Otherwise, in the Visual Studio also you can open terminal, view terminal like that is there, right? So you can have run as a terminal. In the terminal you can go it. So not now, we'll do it later once you complete the program, and we can start it. You can see here terminal. So view terminal, you can have inside the terminal, you can type this, what is the game I want, what I want to run, you can do it. Okay, so that I will explain later. So why I'm explaining this program, until or unless I keep on going, it will ask you. That's why we are using while loop. So then while loop, let me, yeah, in the while loop, what I will do, the code races, I'm asking from the user, races equal to input is the inbuilt Python function. So it will ask how many this total you want to participate. So that's why I'm giving single quotes, enter the number. Yeah, okay, enter the number of races. Then you have to tell the user what is the range. So 2 to 10, 2 to 10. Then you can give space colon space. So why I'm giving 2 space, you can understand here. You can here, you can see here, enter number of racers, then 2 to 10. You can see some space, right? So that's the one space. So for that, otherwise it will come here, it is look very clumsy. So that you have to we are going to define this syntax, the statement in our code. Okay, so that we have to gear. This is the code which is getting displayed while running this program. So you are getting the races from the user. If this is the wrong, then only we have to ask again. So races, you got it? I have created one function. I defined initially 0 value, but I am asking user what is the how many races you want to participate. Understood?
Yes.
Okay, now we have to check whether this is a number or alphabet. How I can check? Anyone tell? Any student can tell? Can I, how I can check whether this is a number or alphabet in program?
By data type?
By data type, very good. By data type we can check, there is a one more inbuilt method is there. Very good, that is a type of racer we can check, but in one inbuilt method is there, so that is called if racers dot is digit. This is also one more inbuilt function. Like that, lot of inbuilt functions are there in Python. This is the one inbuilt. Is digit will give what this method will give. This is it's a boolean return type, true or false. So it will return whether it is a number, it will give true, otherwise it will give false. So is digit colon, when it is a digit, then I am converting the racer into integer. Racers equal to int of races. It is like a string data type. So I want to convert to number data type. So that's why, but even though you are checking the type, automatically all the return type of input is a string only. So then while you cannot able to the data type check also, it won't work here, because by default input will return. If you go to input Python code, this is the input Python code. So this will return string. You can see here string. So return type of string, the input is a string here. If you click, if you press the control button and click that, you can see the code of input method. So what is the return type? String return type. So that is this is the code belongs to built-in py.py. Okay, so this is returning string data type. I want to convert to number. That's why I can get it number data type here. Got it? You understood? I'm getting the data from the user. I'm checking whether it is a number. Then it is a number. Then I'm converting into integer. That is a numeric. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Else, this is very important. Else, you have to make sure you have to start the else code just parallel to if only. If you start like this, it won't work. Okay. Else, make sure the space and the indentations are clear in the Python. Else, what I'm going to do colon, then I have to throw the message, error message. Print. What I have to message, you can see here. If it is not number, what I have to do, input is not numeric, try again. Right? I can copy this. I'll paste it here. So input is not numeric, try again. You can type it, otherwise I will give this code. I will give. Okay, so print this error message. If it is not number, you have to throw the message. Input is not. Then one more important thing is continue. Continue means again it will come from first. Continue from first. That is a keyword. Okay, continue means continue from the first. Okay, so done. Get once you're done, let me know.
No, sir.
Yeah, tell
The-
me.
It's saying that get number of resources is not defined. I put on def get number of resources, but it says that it's not
You
defined.
put where here? Don't run, don't run. We'll
Yes.
complete it. Okay, don't run because we have not start completed. We'll complete it. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, get number of things are not defined. So let me. So we have to complete like this because all if else you have to complete. Yeah, once you complete all the program like this, then it will on throw error. Get number of defined is not defined. Okay, that we'll see. Okay, so you have to open bracket, close bracket, everything fine. Racers, yeah, spelling mistake. So here you have to, here you have, we have defined racers. Here we are given racer. Make sure the spelling mistake is correct. Okay, so that could be the error. So where we left, yeah, we'll type again now. Okay, so now we are asking the user to else if it is a number, not number, we are throwing error. Please continue. Okay, so next thing is if, one more if. So now this if we are checking the range. So first if we are checking whether he is in val number or not. So this if we are checking whether it is in range or not. So what is the range? What is the range? Lukman, what is the range? How many turtles can participate in the game?
2 to 10.
2 to 10,
2
yeah. Yeah, so my racers should be greater, lesser than or equal to 10. Okay, that is a higher range. What is the lower range? He should be lesser than or equal to 2. Okay, is a range. So the ratio should be greater than or equal to 2 or lesser than or equal to 10. Okay, so if it is done, return. This is very important. Return racers. Return means it will return the value. So get number of racers, it will return the value. Return racers. Okay, else part again else if it is not in range, then again we will throw the error message. What error message will throw? Print. This is the last line for today's session. Tomorrow we can, next session we can start the race. Now it is only validation. Number is not in range of 2 to 10. Try again. Okay, got it? I'll give them this thing. Maybe while typing we missed some space here and there. So you may face some error. I'll give this code. You copy this code. Okay. So we have to make sure we are giving space properly. If a single space also missed, it will give the error. Okay. So when if you are facing some issues related to indentation, just copy this code. Copy my code and paste you. It is coming like this. Yeah. So here I have given last thing. You can copy and replace your this definition. Okay. Then we can run. Shall we run this code? Once you're done, we can run this code. So let me run this code. How I can run? You cannot run like code runner. Code runner only it will show the input. It won't get the input. Okay. So now it will show only the output. Print. It will print the message code runner. It won't accept the input. So for that I will view. I'll click the terminal. Click view and open terminal. Okay. So in the terminal, just type Python then turtle trace. If you put type and space, I'm pressing only T. I'm not typing everything. I'm pressing T, then I'm giving tab. So automatically the program starting with T, it will come. When I enter, it is asking number. I will give something wrong, it is throwing me error. If I'm giving some out of range, it is giving me value. So if I give correct value 5, it is coming out. So let me print the value. Okay. So let me print here. Uh, let me print number of racers. Number of racers is racers. Okay, so now let me run it. View terminal Python. View terminal Python T tab. If I'm typing 10, it is printing what is giving. Yeah, it is telling we cannot convert to
So what
integer.
was the last line you wrote? Print.
Yeah, I'll tell you. Okay, this is a number. It cannot concatenate. Then we'll convert into data type to string. Last name is, I'll give all the program once again. Once I run, Then I will give entire program. Python t tab. I'll give 10. Yeah, I'm getting number of racers is 10. So I'll give all the program in your chat window. You can copy. It is not coming everything. Okay, you have defined, right? I will give only last line. So you take it. Otherwise, it is not, there is a limitation of number of lines. This is the my last line. You can add this line after calling this so that I can see how many number of racers is getting participated. Okay, this is enough for today. So I will recall what we have done today. So today we have created the one file called totalrace.py. Then we have imported 3 libraries and we have defined what is the width and height, and we have defined 10 colors. There is a init method. There is a function. We have created 2 function today. One is init total. We are setting the screen and height and width and title of the screen. Then this is very important method, get number of total races. So how many numbers this will give you. This is the function. It will give the how many numbers of racers. Okay, so this is asking the user, tell me how many number of racers is going to participate in this game. So when I give something non-number alphabet, it will throw some error. So that's why I am putting if condition. If it is a digit, it will accept, it will convert into number, because always input will give you string data type. So to convert that, we are using int method. Okay, now is not number, it will throw the error, it will continue. Continue means again start from line number 16. Okay, continue means it will go back to line number 16 after the if. What is the next line to while? After the while? What is the next line to the while? It will come here, it will again execute until you are giving correct value. Then if it is not in range, if it is in range, it will return the correct value. Otherwise, it will throw the message again, it will start the while loop. Okay. So here I'm not giving continue because it is the end of the while loop. So automatically it will go to the stop. But here why I'm giving continue, it won't execute line number 23. It will start from line number 16 itself. Here we don't have to give continue because it is the end of the while loop. Again it will give for start. Then I'm getting the number of races I am printing here. Is it clear? 30 lines of code we have added. Then why we are giving the space empty line between two category to make the neatness of the code. So this category is for constant value. This is for one function, another function, and we are printing here. So this is the end for today's session. Hope you enjoyed this. So we'll learn more. Okay. So next session will be the last session of this course. So we'll create 2 more function. That is a race function. That race function is the one actual the race will take place. Inside the race function we will create one create turtle function. Okay, I have already gave the code. If you have free, you can execute this code and you can try. So turtle race, yeah, turtle race, let me explain the code. Okay, so next today we have created init method, we have created get number of races. So next tomorrow what we are going to do, I will shuffle the color because each and every time I don't want to see same color. So different colors of turtles will come, then only it will more interesting. So the shuffle random that shuffle means whatever the color will define, it will reorder the range. Red will go last, blue will come first. So that's the main of shuffling. Then I'm getting colors here. Then I'm calling the race method. This race method, it will create this race method. Yeah, this race method first will call another function called create turtle. This will create the turtle like this with the space and color, shape, and everything it will give you. It will create small turtle. Then the race will take place. So you can see here the forward is a random. So each and every turtle we are in for loop, we are getting the turtle one by one, and we are setting their distance, how much distance they are going. We are randomly we are getting and we are forwarding. Got it? So this is about the turtle game. So next week we'll learn more about race method and create turtle method. Two function. We can call function or method, both are same. Okay. So in the Java world, we are used to call method, but here function. So two function we are going to create in next session. So to join next session, we'll complete this game. Okay. Next session, hopefully. Any doubt today's code? You can
No,
ask
sir.
me. Okay, I will the code, this session is getting recorded. I will upload as soon as possible, so you can watch again. If you have any error, if you are facing any error while doing coding, you can refer that video. Okay, so thanks for your time. Bye.